So like you can see, we have this third person template and this mannequin is running, jumping, everything is doing. And to add this in your existing project, you can just go to here, select content, add, and add feature or content, and then you can use the template. So it will add to your existing project. If you have already project, you want to add, you can do that. Otherwise, if you are creating new project, you can use the third person while you are creating the project. So this will use that template to create the new project. After creating that, you will have this third person folder here. So if I play, this character is here as a blueprint. So if you'll open that blueprint, you will see lots of nodes, but go to the viewport, then select this character, and here is the skeleton mesh. You can browse it. So this